Okay, day 2. Work is going very well. Some major destruction or disruption of the land has happened. All the neighboring landowners have come by to see what's going on and wishing us Carlos Irtates, which means actually welcome and not, as I said yesterday, good start of the week. I'll give you a show of what's been done today. Road making it curve. Some major rocks here because he dug a hole for the septic tank. So this means that there's going to be toilets just above it. Over there the road ends into Anastasia's yoga place. Then he has leveled out our kitchen to be. Well, leveled out. Made the rock loose. Diameter 6 meters for the kitchen with a reciprocal roof. And he has also started on the swimming pool with a diameter of 8 meters for swimming, round, and then smaller circle, 5 meters diameter for filter area. Day 3. The kitchen platform has been leveled and digging of the pond has started. And the earth down there doesn't seem to be as rocky as Costas had thought. So that makes work really go fast. And a nice big hole for the septic tank.